Hi, this is Steve from Roofer911. I'm on top of a roof in Springfield, Virginia, and they have a few different leaks. And I'd like to show you the first one. Here we have a turbine fan, and you can see that the metal flashing is all wide open. These shingles here should have overlapped the flashing, but instead what they did is they just sealed it with caulk. So with a heavy downpour or melting snow, the water can very easily get underneath this flashing and then leak inside the home. Also, this flashing can cause a leak to settle all the way down to the exterior wall. Now here they sealed the key with caulk, and this is another problem because this metal flashing goes up to about this point here. So once this caulk starts to peel away, the water is going to seep underneath the key and then go underneath the flashing and then leak inside the home. So what we'll do is remove all the roofing material completely around the fan, and then we're going to re-shingle this area. There's also another turbine fan down here, and that's done exactly the same way. So the procedures that we're doing on the other one, we're going to perform exactly the same way here. Now also there's a stack pipe, and I noticed the installation of the shingles was done perfectly. There's no problems whatsoever, but still they're going to develop a leak in time. And the reason why is the aluminum flange that goes around the pipe is known to develop hairline fractures, and there's already one starting to develop here. So during a heavy downpour, the water can get inside this flange and then leak inside the home. Now also the vertical stem is known to develop fractures as well. So this is going to be sealed from top to bottom with polyurethane, and the same with the flange. And once that's done, then they won't have to worry about any more leaks in the future. Now, there's another leak all the way down at the bottom, right next to the gutter line, and the reason why is because the gutter was never attached to the rafters, and the gutter is sagging over here when the downspout is over there. So when it rains really heavy, not all the water that's trapped in the gutter here can go uphill quick enough to where the downspout is. So what happens is the water overflows over the back, and then it goes down inside the exterior wall, and it can cause a flood all the way down into the basement. Now when I stepped over here, I felt the wood was all rotten right here. In fact, I thought I was going to go through. So this section here is not caused by the gutter, but instead because of the ridge vent. Now overall the ridge vent was done perfectly. They attached it right to the rafters the way it should be, but here I could just take this ridge vent off very easily with my hand. So what we'll do is we're going to remove the ridge vent. Any shingles that are damaged in the process we're going to replace with new, and then we're going to apply polyurethane to the deck on both sides of the ridge. Then the ridge vent will be pressed right into the sealant, and then we'll attach it to the rafters. Now what's happening now is, like I said, that ridge vent is causing a leak here, and it also caused a wood fascia here to rot as well. So we're going to remove and replace the fascia with new. My name is Steve from Roofer911, and we specialize in roof repair in all areas of Springfield, Virginia, and all areas of Northern Virginia, and I can be reached at 703-475-2446. Thank you.